How's it, T.O.B family? Welcome to yet another episode of our videos. Our subject for today is the Anker Soundcore H30i wireless on-ear Bluetooth headphones. Before we continue, I want to ask a question. Has the way I start this video gotten stale? That question just hit me right now as I make this video. Please tell me what you think in the comments and suggest something if you think it has. Okay? Participate. Alright, let's get back to it. This headphone was released in December of 2023 and the price 699 rands, which translates to 37 US dollars. It comes in several colors. These include black, rose, and red. Some of its features include a 40mm dynamic drivers for powerful bass, a 70 hours of playtime with fast charging. You get 5 minutes for 4 hours of playtime, soft leather ear cups for all-day comfort, stable connection with a Bluetooth 5.3, customized EQ with the Soundcore app, a multi-point connection, and a foldable design, and lots more. So ladies and gentlemen, audiophiles, budget shoppers, and those who simply want to drown out their neighbors' questionable music choices, let us all come together and unbox this. Let's go. When you open the box, these are the contents: a manual book, a 3.5mm audio cable, a USB Type-C charging cable, an exceedingly thin carry bag, and the Soundcore H30i wireless on-ear Bluetooth headphones. Just look at the design and the build quality. Nice and smooth with a matte finish all around. Looks very minimalist. That's the new way of saying it is not bulky. It feels super lightweight, flexible, and stylish in a simple way. There's enough extension to make this suitable for most head sizes and flexible enough if you have a really big dome. The headphone just screams comfort as it goes joints on joints. This makes movement in most directions easy and seamless, which translates to comfort. The earmuffs are soft and small as they are supposed to be on ear, as the name implies. On the right ear cup are all the controls and connections you need to have a great audio experience with this headphone. Putting this on was surprisingly comfortable, or at least more comfy than I anticipated, especially since they are on-ear design. Soft ear muffs, but not marshmallow soft, just soft enough not to pinch your ear to another dimension. Would I wear this for 6 hours straight? Maybe not, but for a casual use, absolutely. Time for us to pair these baby, and like always, it's easy like Sunday morning. Or was that something Lionel Richie said? Anyways, to pair these, turn on your headphones, open your Bluetooth settings on your phone, and look for the Soundcore H30i on your Bluetooth search options. Select it, and you are connected. Easy like Sunday morning. Let us check the app and let's see what it has to offer. Now, a little disclaimer, this is not an active noise cancelling headphone, so we are not going to get any ANC options on the app. We have to put that in mind. Remember, this is an on-ear headphone, so no active noise cancelling. Also, since most of the controls are on the device itself, we probably will also get less of those options in the app. But let's see what we have to offer, what this has to offer, right? It's mostly going to be sound, but let's see what it is. Firstly, we've got sound effects, signature control, we've got the signature sound, and we have a custom ID. So if you're like me, set your own options for yourself. We've got a Soundcore signature. You click on it, and then we have other options. I think they're 22 in number, or presets. So you just pick what you want. We've got acoustic, bass booster, bass reducer, classical, podcast, dance, deep, and so on. So pick what sound suits you or create your own. Next option, we have dual connections. Remember, this should show you what devices the headset are connected to. You can connect 2 devices at a time, but remember, you can only listen to one at a time and not both of them. Yes. So next we've got battery prompt sound. So if your battery is running low, you'll get the prompt that says low battery. That's all you get. Then we've got update, firmware, and serial number. Well, that's about it. Nothing spectacular here in the app. I believe maybe they could have done something more with it, but this is what they had to give to us, so this is what it is. Like I said, no active noise cancelling, not our fault, is the way it's made, and also very little when it comes to controls. Now let's go listen to some music, and let's hope that they are going to, give us some of the things that we've missed as comes to sound. When it comes to the control, I hope they make up for it with the sound. So let's go listen to some music, and I'll get back to you. Let's go. After listening to this for a while, this is what I think. Great sound, great balanced natural sound. There's some bass to it. It's not very heavy bass, but there is some bass to it. Everything else is balanced. The highs and the mids, everything is balanced. Very clear natural sound. I think I would also give it a 9 because I really like it. I like the sound. I also like some bass in my music, but sometimes you just want to bring it down a notch or two. This great if that is what you like to listen to. Great sound. Oh, and the microphone, here's what it sounds like. Testing 1 2 3. How's it, T.O.B family? This is a mic test of the Anker Soundcore H30i wireless on-ear Bluetooth headphones. I'm checking clarity, volume, and background noise. If you can hear me loud and clear, then we're in business. If not, well, Let me know in the comment section what you think. Let's continue. Right, so comment section, you know what to do. Tell me what you think about it. I want to hear your opinion. Comment section right now. All right, let's talk pros and cons of the Soundcore H30i. And my first pro is the battery life. I mean, you get 70 hours of playtime. At 50% volume, you get 70 hours of playtime. By any measure you're gonna take, that is great. You also have a fast charging feature with this, which is about 5 minutes for 4 hours of playtime. That is great. That's my first pro. So yeah, the battery life. And my second pro is the portability of this device. I mean, look at this. You can bend it any way and twist it any way. I mean, you bend this way, you twist it. You can actually fold it so small and just fit it in your pocket. It is that small. See that? Very good. So there's some people that don't like, bulky headphones and all that. This will be a perfect one for you. You get great sound and portability too. So that's a con for me. That's a pro for me. That's a pro. Third pro for the H30i, sound quality. Natural, clear, beautiful sound. Now, it is not a punchy bass. It's not bass heavy, but it is bass enough. And it balances out with everything else. You get a natural sound. So yeah, sound quality, my third pro. All right, let's talk cons, and the 2 cons on this one for me, I think they're kind of related. The first one is comfort. Now, I don't think a lot of people will find it very comfortable with the on-ear headphones. Now we have to remember this is an on-ear and not an over-ear. So on means it will be on your earlobes. Over means it will just cover your earlobes. So you see the size of this? Very small. I think some people might find it a bit uncomfortable after having it over your earlobes like this for a while. I think it becomes uncomfortable for a long time. Yeah, it will get uncomfortable. So yeah, that's my first con on this. The on-ear, the size of this, I think after some time it will get uncomfortable. So first con. Now my second con, like I said, kind of related to the first one, is the size of the headphones. I mean, this is it. Now, I know people don't like bulky headphones, but this is rather kind of small. I think the market here, not a lot of people were able to put this on, even with the extenders on the side. I don't think a lot of people would fit this. This is rather small. So yeah, I think it is a little bit too small. So to just be a few people, maybe some kids or something, that'll be able to actually use this comfortably. Yeah, so that's my second call. So let's summarize. For the price of $6.99, is about $37, give or take. Would I get this? No. Maybe for my son, maybe I'll get this for my boy. Yeah, maybe for my son, but not for me. I would not find this very comfortable after a long time. I think I'll struggle with the size of it around over my head. It feels a little bit too small for me. So yeah, maybe for my son, maybe, but for myself, no, I wouldn't. So yeah. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not saying it's a terrible buy. There's some adults that got really small heads, so if that head size thing is not a thing for you, why? Get it. But for me, it is gonna be a thing. I've got very small head too, but I don't think it still not fit me. No, I don't know. So yeah, it's not a bad choice. It just maybe not meant for me. That's how I'll say it. So hey, it is what it is. Thank you so much if you watched this video up till the end. If you like the video, click the like button and subscribe to the channel if you've not done that yet. Remember the notification bell, you want to turn it on so that when we put out a video, you'll be the first to know. If there's something you'd like to tell me, put it in the comment section or send me an email. And guys, please remember to leave a comment in this video. I need your feedback. I need your engagement to grow this channel. So until next time, take care.